The U.S. Army is pioneering a new technology that could revolutionize drone operations by enabling them to stay airborne indefinitely. Through the Army Research Laboratory, a novel drone tethering system has been developed, allowing unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to recharge mid-flight using other UAVs. The concept is straightforward. Similar to how aircraft refuel mid-air, this system allows drones to recharge during flight. The technology features a power cable deployment system specifically designed for UAVs. The kit includes various mechanisms to connect and disconnect drones while they are in the air. In this system, a lead drone carries a power tether from a base station. This tether enables one or more drones to connect for charging and then detach for independent missions. The tether itself has multiple docking points, allowing the drones to move, attach, and detach along its length as needed. This in-flight recharging system could vastly enhance drone capabilities by offering continuous surveillance from various vantage points, navigating through challenging environments, and keeping the ground station location hidden, among other benefits. Ultimately, this innovative approach addresses the critical issue of battery life in electric aviation, potentially allowing drones to stay aloft indefinitely. Let me know if you'd like any further adjustments.